Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and I highly recommend to pick the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Then we can enter the Play Store. Now, of course, if you're not signed in or if you do not have the Google account added to your device, you will have to log in. So just do it and then tap on this circle. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. As you can see, here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, and in order to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 22. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply find the app we would like to update and mark it. So let me pick, for example, Google Maps and the photos. Of course, you can update only one app or pick all of them, it's up to you. After marking those which you would like to update, and just tap on this update icon right in the right upper corner. Now we can scroll down, and as you can see, both of the updates are waiting for the downloading. After that, and after downloading, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.